Interesting, small size and portability are the reasons why we like little drones, but sometimes we may get annoyed with the battery life. Today we are gonna review this JJRC H345. Compare it to the others, it's not a drone but two drones, which could solve a problem with a battery. If one's dead, take out the other one. Inside the box, there are two drones, a transmitter, charging cable, user menu, and a QR code. It's an AI game that you can play when getting bored. Flying is similar to the little other drones, which has functions like headless mode, 1-key return, and 3D flips. And it's easy to control. Last but not least, the speed of the 3D flips is fast and you will love it. To sum up, I would say it's a nice toy. Nice looking, foldable design, and easy to control. The drones have a built-in battery. To charge it, just need to plug the cable, simple. Two drones can extend your flying time to around 12 minutes.
The included camera shoots up to 2.7K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second and captures 12 megapixel still photos in JPEG or RAW format.
Simply connect your mobile device to the Phantom and turn your camera into a live bird's eye view from the sky. This real-time HD view runs on built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to see everything. Take pictures and video instantly, and access a wealth of other features as you fly over half a mile away.
DJI INSPIRE 2 was built based on a deep understanding of what filmmakers need, whether they are shooting the next blockbuster or a low-budget TV show. With the new Cinecore 2.0 processing engine, filmmakers have access to unparalleled image quality never possible before with a ready-to-fly drone. Composed of multiple advanced processors, Cinecore is built right into the aircraft's nose and will work with any camera connected to the dedicated gimbal port. The Cinecore system consists of an image engine for recording H.264 and H.265 codec, and the cinema engine, capable of capturing cinema DNG and ProRes codecs. The image engine is capable of capturing up to 4K 60 frames per second at 100 megabits per second H.2.64 or 4K 30 frames per second at 100 megabits per second H.2.65. Built-in 3D noise reduction and 3D LUT color management technology ensure that resulting images are vibrant and true to life. The cinema engine is capable of processing 880 million pixels per second, capturing cinema DNG RAW and ProRes at up to 5.2K. It also incorporates a much more precise color processing module, as well as rigorous dynamic optical block correction. All cinema DNG and ProRes footage are plug-and-play, making them instantly compatible with a range of software. This includes color correction systems like DaVinci Resolve and NLEs such as Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro. Cinema DNG RAW is lossless and allows for maximum preservation of dynamic range that would otherwise be lost. ProRes retains excellent fidelity across multiple compression cycles without introducing image banding. The INSPIRE 2's SSD media has been completely redesigned. The internal bus is upgraded from SATA to PCIe 3.0. NVMe specification is also fully supported, allowing the SSD to be compatible with future DJI products without the need to upgrade. It uses the universally compatible FAT and exFAT systems, allowing files to be read directly from the card without using proprietary software. Finally, almost all of the SSD components are contained inside of the unit in order to reduce the influence of vibration and impact during flight. With its advanced processing engine, rugged design, and flexible post-production workflow, Cinecore 2.0 allows the INSPIRE 2 to meet the challenge of any filmmaking environments.